Hey everybody, Tom here. I'm replacing the low beam on my 2021 Dodge Ram 2500, and I just found access to it. It's a lot easier than removing the whole liner on the wheel well. It's just a panel right here. This thing just comes down. You see that? And then up inside there, I don't know if you can see it, but you have access to the low beam light through this panel here in the wheel well. Right here. I don't know, I don't have good lighting up there, but there it is. I don't know if you can see that up there, but I'm going to grab that and pull it out and put a new bulb in. So I got this round piece off. I don't have good lighting, but we got something visible up there now. So I did a quarter turn on it, and now it's hanging out of there. I'll get it detached and put the new bulb in. So here it is. I got it hanging right there. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's coming right out. Panel in the wheel well. This is what I got out. And while the end is the same, this is what I'm supposed to be putting in. I don't know if this is going to work. The connection's the same. We're kind of doing this one-handed, so we're going to give it a whirl. So that's what I got to plug this thing back into. I sure hope all this works. Connections look the same, but the bulb looks totally different. Got the bulb on there, so we'll see if it inserts back into the socket. It secures the same and it's built the same, so we're going to give it a whirl. I don't know if you can see that, but we're slowly making our way, getting this thing installed. Don't know if you can see it or not, but well, let's see if it works. And that's how you change out a low beam on a 2021 Dodge 2500 truck. I learned as I filmed this. I didn't know this ahead of time, so hopefully you can use it too.